हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल सोशल शेयर एजुकेशन में। इन दिस वीडियो आई विल राइट एसे ऑन हिंदी दिवस। Hindi Divas is one of the days of national importance. It falls on the 14th of September every year. It is the day on which the Hindi language was adopted as the India's official language by Constituent Assembly. However, after much struggle and fighting, the Hindi language was declared as the official language. Indian people belong to many religions, culture and tradition. The Hindi language is most widely spoken language in India. According to reports, almost 420 million people spoke Hindi in the year 2001 in India. Also, the number must have many folds by now. The languages serve as unity in diversity. It is believed that the Hindi language binds Indians together. The Hindi language is a symbol of unification. Indians feel pride as there is a day to dedicate exclusively to the Hindi language. It is celebrated with great fun since its inception in the year 1953. Many events are organized throughout the country on the eve of Hindi Divas to respect the language. The importance of Hindi language is highlighted upon by the way of Hindi Divas celebration. Many activities organized on this day are a way to bring all the Indians together and encourage them to value and respect the Hindi language. It is a way to familiarize people with the richness of the Hindi language as well as the historical past.
अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर दीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर।